we are talking around how to bring personalized medicine solutions to the different systems, and also how to measure, first of all, in innovation and what is innovation in reality, and the other one, how to measure value in terms of being introduced out in the systems, and recommending those that need to make decisions on investment on new solutions and technologies, and bringing those to the patients, how to do that. That is a good question. Innovation, it depends on the concept of innovation. Innovation would be how to develop things that are going to solve problems, and as it was said, well, it is related to see what everyone sees, but also to do something that is disruptive in terms of making things different and improve in our case, the healthcare systems. And also being disruptive means also in the concept of how to introduce citizens and citizens' views in the healthcare systems. So that is what we need to do in our daily job. The value, the value is normally related to the concept of economy, and it is how to develop goods, and the concept of to which extent we are spending the money in the correct way, and it should be related to outcomes. And in the case of the healthcare system, we are the purposes and the outcomes are in different cases they are different, and that is part of the diversity, and that's why in some cases we introduce things in some regions or in some countries, and some others in other countries not, because they are not procuring or they are not creating value, and value will be related obviously with spending money in a fair way, and obviously also creating outcomes. And in the case of the healthcare systems, outcomes are related to providing health and creating better health and wealth for citizens. Yeah, well, one of the things of measuring value is at the very beginning was the economic part, so it is how we were spending money, and to which extent that was used to create outcomes. But there are other types of measuring values that are related to the different domains that value have. And it is not just the concept. For example, it could be related to safety, it could be related to efficacy, it could be related to cost, obviously, but it is also related to social affordability. It could be related also to ethical concepts, and also to legal concepts. So we need also to try to use all those domains in terms of introducing things in the best way possible, with the best evidence available, to make the best decisions. In terms of that, different paradigms have been used. For example, it has been used in the case of cost-effectiveness analysis, but nowadays there are other concepts that have been integrated. For example, the case of multi-criteria decision analysis, in which each country and each decisor could weigh the different domains that we have mentioned before, so the clinical ones, the economic ones, the social ones, or the ethical and legal ones, and obviously integrating also the concept of in which institution, in which country, in which region we are going to develop that, and that also offers another problem, that is the organizational aspects, to which extent technology offers value. That depends also how the healthcare systems and the countries are organized and structured. So that depends on which the professionals are, which type of patients we are including, how we are structuring the healthcare system, which are the connections between the health and the social system. So that reflects the complexity, and that's why new ways of measuring value, like multi-criteria decision analysis and making decisions, are much more inclusive than just the concept of cost effectiveness. And on the other side, there are measuring complexity. There are also some European projects, like it has been integrated HTA, that they are trying to use different value frameworks for complex technology, as it is the case of personalized medicine, and there will be, and I think there will be an improvement in terms of, first of all, accountability to citizens, and transparency in decisions.